हेलो डॉक्टर्स एंड सर्जन्स, वेलकम बैक अगेन विद अ न्यू वीडियो। आई एम अभिषेक एंड यू आर वाचिंग सर्जिकल शॉप है। अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले हमने आपको बताया था कि हमारे पास सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स भी अवेलेबल होने वाले हैं हमारी वेबसाइट पे। तो हाँ, हमारे पास जितने भी सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, फोर्सेप्स है, सारी चीज़ें हमारे पास अवेलेबल हो गई है। इवन वेबसाइट पे भी वो जल्द ही अवेलेबल आपको मिल जाएंगी और कुछ कुछ हो भी गई हैं। तो आपको डिटेल में इसके बारे में बताएंगे कि क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको इसमें देखने को मिलेगी, क्या क्या वैरायटी मिलेगी, और खुद आपको सीईओ मिस्टर अनुराग सेठ ये आपको वीडियो में बताएंगे किस तरीके से इसके बारे में कि इसमें आपको क्या मटेरियल देखने को मिलेगा और क्या क्या चीज़ें, क्या क्या वेरिएंट्स इसमें देखने को मिलेंगे। तो चलिए ज़्यादा वीडियो ना लंबी करते हुए आपको इसके बारे में बताते हैं।
Hi viewers, I'm Anurag. I'm the team leader at SkyTech Medical and Surgical Devices. The channel is Surgical Shopade. I spell it out SURGICALSHOPPE. I would request you to subscribe to this channel as soon as you can, because I'll have a series of videos that I will be presenting to you with various products that we are selling. My today's topic is going to be surgical instruments, those that we've learned and sold since 1950. The person who established this company, the great entrepreneur, Mr. Sudesh Chandra Seth, though he's not amongst us physically today, but he leaves behind his ethics, his morals, the teachings and the learnings that we got from him in selling all these instruments and equipment. What Continental Surgical today is what he dreamt several years back. I want to thank you first for looking at this video today, and through this I would like to show you what all that we do. So we deal in various types of surgical instruments, ranging right from diagnostic, general surgery, intestinal surgery. We've got for proctology, urology, gynecology, orthopedic, plastic and oral surgery, neurosurgery, ophthalmics, ENT, thoracic, anesthetic, sundries and equipment. We do anesthesia machines, we do working stations, we do a variety of electromedical equipment, which could include even operating room equipment, physiotherapy equipment, the general diagnostic instruments and variety of them. We do a lot of personal home care products, we do a lot of health and hygiene products, we do stainless steel hollowwares, we do CSSD equipment right from small clinics, and they are also the specialized ones like the high pressure autoclaves, the horizontal autoclaves, which are also cylindrical or rectangular in shape. But as I said, my today's focus is instruments. I'm going to talk about them. We do a variety of them. I would just pick up a few of them to show you. For example, the artery forceps. Each of these, sorry, the needle, this is the needle holder, I'm sorry. I'll just pick up one of the artery forceps that I have here. It's a curved artery forceps, 18 centimeters. How do we select a good artery forceps? That's my next question to you. Or how I've learnt it, I would say that to you. Artery forceps should have a good grip. It should be soft from all angles. It should not be sharp at any points. The gripping should be good. I shouldn't see any spaces in this. Plus, the curve has to be fine. The curve has to be very smooth. The tip has to be, depending on the one that you want to use, of course, it can be varying from very fine, for example, in the mosquito artery forceps, or a forceps that could be a micro forceps. Each one of them could vary actually. So in this, the edges are smooth. None of them would actually hurt you when you're using them. None of them would really be traumatic at any point. But of course, the grasping will be very, very good. Each one of these instruments has been selected for you personally, and they carry a warranty of 1 year. Of course, maintaining an instrument is a different thing. How to keep them working for a long, long time is something that you'll have to learn with us, and how to maintain them we will teach you very well. We've known customers who've used our instruments for several years after they bought from us. We have scissors which are smooth on all corners but sharp when it comes to edges, so they would never fail you. We've got instruments that are made out of 410 steel so that the sharpness remains, and then we have instruments, for example scissors, which have tungsten carbide tips. TC, as you know, is one of the hardest substance and stays for a very, very long time. It's been welded and blended so well into the tip of the instrument that you barely get to know where the TC is. TC, as I said, is tungsten carbide, which is one of the strongest elements and metals available, which make these scissors working forever and ever. We've got needle holders also, which have TC tips. We pasted them and welded them on the tips, and they do not fail you when you're holding a needle, and the needle doesn't tend to slip while you're using the instrument. You can see the edge here from where it starts and where it ends. It's very, very clear here. Similarly, I have forceps which have tungsten carbide tips. The TC instruments usually are gold plated at the tip of at the other end of the instrument, you know, just to be able to bifurcate them for you when you're looking at various instruments on the platter while you're doing your surgeries. So it's easy to locate them in the tray or on the instrument trolley where you have placed them. Once again, the grasping on the instrument is so good that it never fails you. Nothing slips out of these. We've also got a variety of instruments for gynecology, which you can see here. For example, one of them is a curette. Another one is a Walslum forceps. You can see here the Chittle forceps. Each one of them handcrafted for you, and each one of them very delicately made for you, I would say, so that they don't give you any kind of trouble when you're wanting to use them. We've also got into the range of endoscopic instruments. We've got, for example, graspers here, and these are made in India, and some of the best ones available that you can find in the market. They're low cost, budgeted instruments. However, having said that, it doesn't mean that the quality is compromised. The quality is equally good and amazing. I've also got endoscopes for variety of surgeries now. The minimal invasive surgery equipment and instruments are available with us ex stock. Thank you, and I look forward to showing you more of what we do in due course of time.
सो इफ़ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव, अगर आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा हो किसी भी तरीके से, इस पे बहुत सारे हमने चीज़ें बताई हैं, वो सारी की सारी आप हमें फ़ोन कॉल करके व्हाट्सएप भी कर सकते हैं और हमारी मेल आईडी पे मेल भी कर सकते हैं। स्क्रीन पे शो हो रही होगी webteam@surgicalshop.co.in, और हमारा नंबर है 8588855749। और आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कुछ वीडियो में रह गया हो, आगे आप चाहते हो और किसी चीज़ की वीडियो बनाने के लिए, तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताना। और अगर ये चीज़ आपको, ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट, सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, फोर्सेप्स, ये चीज़ें आपको बाय करनी है तो आप हमसे कॉन्टैक्ट करें, और बल्क प्राइसिंग भी हमारे पास अवेलेबल है। तो इफ़ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव, प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल सर्जिकल शॉप है।